Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be unboxing the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar for this Christmas 2020. And I'm really excited to show you guys what's in it because, as you know, I'm a big fan of L'Occitane. I love their ethics. I love the fact that they're the only brand currently that puts Braille on their products. So I think it's really important to showcase a brand that I love. And they sent me this advent calendar for me to open and show you guys what's in it. And that is what I am going to be doing today. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily and I make videos like this, such as beauty and unboxing videos and fashion as well. But I also like to make videos to do with disability awareness and disability positivity. So if you are a fan of any of that stuff, then please do remember to support me by simply clicking the subscribe button and also by clicking that notification bell down below to receive updates when I post a new video. So without further ado, today I'm going to be unboxing this Christmas L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar. Whoa! Joy to the world. I'm absolutely loving the design this year. I think it's so cute. It's a very classic festive design. It's red and it has all these little gold symbols on the top. It's got this really cute little wardrobe design, which I think is really nice because I think you could definitely keep this and use this for other storage options later on after you've finished with the advent calendar. This calendar retails for £99 and it has a total retail value of £135. Now this is the luxury advent calendar, which is the more expensive one, but there is a more affordable one, which is the classic advent calendar. I'll leave links to both of them down below if you are interested. Okay, so day number one. On day number one, we have a small travel size of the almond shower oil. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with this stuff. I actually use it already. I really like this. It's one of my favourite things that L'Occitane do. It works really well for shaving your legs. It's very moisturising, but it still foams up and creates a nice lather as well. Definitely a nice product to start off with. Day number two, where are you? On day number two, we have the Herbe Eau de Parfum. This is a small travel size, and I actually have had this before. It's one of my favourite perfumes from L'Occitane actually. The Herbe range is quite green and fresh. It's got notes of rose and bramble in there, so it's meant to be very, very kind of clean and fresh and botanical. So if you're into those more greener, kind of earthier smells, then this is a nice one to try. And it's a really cute little bottle as well, great for travelling. It's one of those ones that you have a stopper on and then you kind of just pour or dab onto your pulse points, like your wrists or anywhere else you want to use it on. It's a really nice smell. I actually use this quite a lot, so another little one to add to my collection. Day number three. So on day number three, we have a hand cream. This is the Shea Butter, 25% Shea Butter Intensive Hand Balm. So this is the more heavy duty hand creams that they do. I have to say, I've said it before, but L'Occitane do some of the best hand creams that I've ever tried. I think they're definitely the most hydrating and they last the most longest. I think at the moment you can't go wrong with having a few hand creams in your collection, because with the current situation, having to constantly wash our hands, who doesn't need a new hand cream? So I'm happy about that, and also it's a small travel size as well, so great to pop in your handbag when you're out and about. Where is day number four? Okay, day number four, and this is quite a big drawer. On day number four, we have the Almond Crunchy Muesli Scrub, and I've never ever tried this before actually. So this says it's an exfoliating and soothing scrub, and it's a body scrub as well. It's in a sachet, so you might get one, maybe two uses out of it, depending on how much you use, but I'm quite excited to try this because I didn't know that they did an almond body scrub. This is quite a revelation to me. No, Emily, shut up. It's far too early to be humming Christmas songs. Put it away, put it down. Day number five. On day number five, we have yet another hand cream. This is the Shea Butter hand cream. This is the regular one though, not the balm, and this is a 30ml size, so a bit bigger than the last one. And I think that out of all the hand creams that they do, probably the Shea Butter and the almond ones are probably my favourites because they're the most moisturising and they last the longest. Day number, here we go, day number six. On day number six, we have a skincare product, and this is from their AQUA range, and it's their water gel cleanser, which I've not actually tried before. I'm going to be honest, I've not tried a lot from this range, but what I have tried I like. It's a very simple skincare range, and I think it's designed for more younger skin types or people who have more combination to normal skin or sensitive skin. So it's meant to be a bit more basic and a little bit more like an introductory skincare brand to L'Occitane. I love me a cleanser, and I'm excited to try this because I do like a gel cleanser. And from what I have tried with this range, it is very, very easy on the skin, and it's really good if you've got irritation or you've got combination skin, and it's a good size as well. It's 40ml, so it's a decent size, so I'm really excited to try that. Day number 7. So in day number 7 we have a skincare product, and this is from the men's range. So this is the CADE Energizing Fluid. So this is supposed to be for people who've got more normal to oily skin, and it's supposed to give your skin a bit of a boost. So I'll probably give this to my dad to try, but I think that's cool that they've added something in there for the guys too. Day number 8. So on day number 8 we have the Honey Harvest hand cream, and I love me anything that's got honey in it, and especially for hand cream and hand care. Oh, that smells really good. I like that. It's quite sweet, but also a bit florally as well. Oh, that feels really nice. Okay, so yeah, I mean, another hand cream, but I've never tried this hand cream before. I don't know if it's new or if it's just something that I've never seen before, but I didn't know they even did a honey hand cream, so I'm really happy to try this. Okay, day number 9. On day number 9, we have something for the hair, and this is their SOS Shine Luscious Hair Mask. Again, something I've not tried before. I will be honest, I've not tried a lot of L'Occitane's hair care before, and I'm all for any kind of hair mask. I love hair masks. It's one of the things that I enjoy using the most.
Does your hair need a radiance boost? Ideal for dry, dull hair, this silicone-free lustrous cream mask softens your hair and boosts their radiance and shine. Enriched with 5 essential oils: rosemary, bergamot, lemon, cedar, geranium. It detingles, treats and nourishes hair fibers while leaving them delicately scented with a floral and aromatic fragrance.
Oh, that smells nice. Yeah, you can smell the lemon in that for definite. It's very, very citrusy. With this, you apply it to shampooed hair, you leave it in for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it out. I know with a lot of hair masks that I personally use, they are ones you've got to leave them for like 20 minutes, if not more. So this is a bit more of a swift acting one. So I'm excited to try this and see how it fares to some of the other ones that I use. Day number 10. On day number 10 we have another skincare product, and this is from their SHEA range, and it's their SHEA Light Comforting Cream. So this will be very, very conditioning and hydrating for anyone who has got dry skin, but because it's light, it's a little bit more lightweight. I have used this before and it is actually very nice. It's really good for the winter months, especially if your skin gets more drier. It's got a nice feeling, but it's not too thick. It's kind of a nice in between. It gives the benefits of using shea butter, but it's not like a really kind of dense formula, which is what I like about it. Day number 11 next. So next up we have a pillow mist, and this is their Cocoon de Serene pillow mist, which I think I've had before. I know I've had it in the candle, and this has got notes of lavender and mandarin and bergamot, so it's really nice and relaxing and just soothing and good to bring clarity. I'm going to have a spritz of this on my dress. I know it's not a pillow, but hey ho. Oh, it smells so nice. So I love the fact that they've put a little pillow mist in there, and this is a small size. It would be great for travelling. I mean, when we go travelling again. I mean, I certainly have not been going travelling many places recently, but when I do go travelling again, I'll definitely take this with me because I do love using a pillow mist, but often my pillow mists are quite large, so I never really have one to take away. So I'll be saving this for when I go away next time, and I love the scent of it. It's a really nice scent, and it's just nice to spritz this on your pillow before you go to sleep. I think this is a really cute little addition to the calendar this year, and I think it's a really nice thing to have. Day number 12. On day number 12 we have the Almond Body Milk. So this is a really nice product. I've had this before, and to be honest, I don't really think you can beat the almond range for how it makes your skin feel, how it smells. The Almond Body Milk is actually one of my favourites. I love using this, especially after I've had a hot shower on a cold day. It's just really, really satisfying to use. So I'm actually happy that they've put this in there, and it's a really good size actually. It is a 75ml bottle, so that is a very good size actually, and you've got a decent amount of product in there. Day number 13. On day number 13 we have the Almond shampoo, which I didn't even know they did this. I had no idea that they made an almond shampoo, but I love the almond range anyway, so I'll definitely use this. And almonds is really good for retaining moisture. I'm really excited to try this on my hair. Day number 14, where are we? On day number 14, we have another product from their AQUA skincare range, and this is their Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel. I have actually tried this before. I think they had this in last year's calendar, I believe, and it was a smaller size. So this year it's a 20ml size, so pretty good travel size actually. And this is lovely. It's got loads of hyaluronic acid in there, and I think that having things from this range is quite a safe bet for the calendar, because I think everyone can use it. It's not as tailored as like the Divine range would be, for example, which is a lot more richer and more suited for more mature skin, whereas this range, I think anyone could try it and see if they like it. Day number 15. Day number 15, we have another shampoo, and this is their Gentle and Balanced Micellar shampoo, which is made with 5 essential oils, and it contains lavender oil, which is very soothing. Now we move on to day 16. On day number 16, we have another hand cream, and this is a 30ml size of their Cherry Blossom hand cream. I'm going to be entirely honest, this isn't my absolute favourite scent from L'Occitane. I'm more of a lavender or an almond kind of girl, but I do like this one. It's very delicate. Day number 17. On day number 17, we have another hair care product, and this is another one of their hair masks, and this is their SOS Hydration hair mask, and this is a gel cream hair mask. So again, I've got some information on their website, and I'm going to have it read it out to me.
Enriched with a hydrating natural sugar complex and 5 essential oils: lavender, AOP, lemon, geranium, rosemary and peppermint. This ultra sensorial gel cream mask offers a wave of hydration to your hair. Free from silicone, it instantly quench hair with moisture without weighting it down. Hair and scalp, a natural moisture balance is maintained. Hair is soft, smooth and delicately fragranced with a fresh and aquatic scent.
Oh, that sounds very nice. I'm actually very intrigued to try this now. Oh, that smells really nice. I see what they mean about aquatic scent. That does have a kind of like a fresh kind of like water-like scent. And that sounds probably weird, but you know that fresh kind of like clean, just got out the shower smell. That smells really nice. I'm so excited to try this one now. And again, the same as the other hair mask, this is a 5-minute mask, and you apply it to your hair after you've shampooed it. You leave it in for 5 minutes and then you rinse it out. I am so happy to try all these hair care products because I've been needing to try some new hair care stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this actually, especially because it's only 5 minutes. I'll actually have time to try this. Day number 18 next. On day number 18, we have a micellar water, and this is made with cucumber and thyme. Now, I believe I had this in their cleanser and I really liked it. It was a very nice scent. And this is their micellar water, which I didn't even know that they did. So this can be used to remove makeup, and it says that you can also use it to remove eye makeup as well. So I believe with this, you just spritz it on your face and then you just remove the excess makeup with a cotton pad, and it's a travel size as well, so pretty good if you're going away anywhere and you need to have a travel size with you. If you're into the more fresher smells, you will like this. Day number 19 next. On day number 19, we have another skincare product, and this is from their Immortelle Precious range, and it's their Immortelle Precious cream. So this is their day cream. Now this is more tailored to people with more drier skin. I've actually tried this before. It's very, very rich. It's got a very sweet scent to it. Like, it's a very sweet floral scent to it. It's got a lot of hyaluronic acid in there, and it's a nice skincare range. My mum actually loves this particular skincare range. It's probably her favourite from the whole entire L'Occitane range that she's tried. Definitely good for anyone who has more drier skin, and I think it's good that they've added a few skincare products from other lines in there as well, so you've got a mix of different things in there. Day number 20 next. On day number 20, we have another skincare product, and this is from their Immortelle Divine range, and it's their Immortelle Divine face cream. So this is probably the most heavily hydrating range that L'Occitane do. This is the range that is really tailored towards people who have got mature skin and who need a lot of hydration and who want something that's really rich and conditioning. Day number 21. On day number 21, we have another product from their AQUA range, and it's their Ultra Thirst Quenching cream, which I'm not sure if I've tried before. I know I've tried the gel. I'm not entirely sure about the cream, but I think it's nice that they've added a few products from this particular range so that you can layer them up and see how you get on with them. I think this cream will definitely be good for anyone who doesn't want anything to rip. That is very lightweight, so that would be very good for anyone who has more oily skin or combination skin, or maybe who has issues with acne because it's not too dense. Okay, day number 22. On day number 22, we have a miniature of their Immortelle Precious Night Serum, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favourite products from L'Occitane. They did have this in last year's calendar, I believe, but to be honest, this is such a cult classic. It's such a well-known product that I think it would be a shame not to have it, because it's really lovely, and I think that it's such a good product that everyone should try it, because it really does work wonders for the skin. It's got a lovely smoothing feeling to it, it's got a gorgeous texture, and it lasts really well, and it really makes the skin feel hydrated. Okay, day number 23. On day number 23, we have a lip balm, and this is their Shea Butter Lip Balm, which contains 40% shea butter. Now, I'm pretty certain that they actually had this in last year's calendar, and I tried it then and I really liked it. It's a really good product. It's very, very hydrating. It's very, very deeply conditioning for the lips, and very good as well if you're using it overnight as well. It's very long lasting, so I think it's good that they've added another lip care product, because I think otherwise that would have kind of been a miss, because lip care is always something you need, especially in the winter time. Finally, we move on to day number 24. On day number 24, L'Occitane have included a miniature size of their Petite Remedy, which I actually have, and this is really good stuff. So this is basically their version of Vaseline, so it's like an all-purpose balm. You can use it on your lips, you can use it on your cuticles, your knuckles, you can use it on the ends of your hair as well. Like, it's supposed to be used as a multi-purpose balm, so anywhere you get dryness you can use it. I also use it when I'm dyeing my eyebrows as well. I actually do dye my own eyebrows, and I really like it. So this is a miniature size, which is great for traveling. It's a handbag size. It's a really good product. It's got a lot of nice ingredients in there. It's got lots of shea butter, so this is a great product if you want something that's really versatile and you can use it for lots of different things. So that is everything that you get inside of the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar for 2020. Now, my thoughts on this calendar, I really like it. I think that they've put quite a nice range of things in there. I like the fact that they changed up the lineup this year and there wasn't too many hand care products this year, and that they put more hair care and skincare in there. I think there's a really good mixture of products in there, and I think that they've done a really good job. So I'm very excited to try the things in this calendar and to try some things that I have actually not tried before. And I'm a big L'Occitane fan, but there's quite a few things that I've discovered from this calendar that I didn't even know that they made. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this calendar? And also, what calendar have you got your eye on this year? Is there a particular calendar that you are eyeing up that you want to get? It doesn't even have to be beauty, it could be from anything. I know that there's pretty much a calendar for pretty much everything these days, so let me know down in the comments what you are thinking of getting this year for Christmas. Be sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!